Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to solve iCloud sync issues. So how do you actually fix some iCloud data isn't syncing on your iPhone? You first go to your settings, click here on your Apple ID, and then here I want you to click on iCloud. Make sure that you have synced whatever you wanted to sync. They're all toggled on. And if your storage is running out, just go ahead and upgrade for more storage. You can click here, see all, right? And just make sure that you have all of them toggled on where you want it to save. Then you can go back to settings, and then you can come here to general, okay? And then click on software update. If there's any updates, go ahead and make sure it's up to date. Turn on automatic updates. When it's up to date, you should not have any sync issues. It usually fixes everything. You can also go back to settings and then go to battery and toggle off low power mode because this one usually restricts background activities like syncing. Okay, and then lastly, just go ahead and hold your power button and just turn it off, turn it on again. That should reset things for you. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.